So today it's Friday for us, and tomorrow it's Daniel's birthday party. Daniel.
This is my.
Or
This is
Daniel.com. And before I'll start the prep for tomorrow, I'm gonna make 2 dishes for us to eat while I'm doing the prep, so we wouldn't stay hungry. So today we're gonna make buckwheat, and I'll make salad too. So buckwheat we're gonna make with soy chunks. And then we have here garlic, onions, tomato paste, and some spices. So it's very easy and fast dish to make, and it's really, really delicious. Let's start to make our buckwheat. Ready? Daniel, you ready?
Yeah.
You're gonna cut that out anyways.
See, that's a pepper.
No, it's not. It's just tomato.
Yeah, this is a pepper. These
No,
are
no,
peppers.
no, no.
Yeah,
You don't
Mom.
see right.
Peppers. I want to eat some quinoa.
Quinoa, it's buckwheat.
Yeah, I want to eat some buckwheat right this weekend.
So I'm ready to start prepping for tomorrow, Daniel's birthday party. And I have all my notes and everything here that I need to make for tomorrow and today. So I'm gonna be making a few dishes. One of the dishes is gonna be veggie hot dog salad, and another dish is gonna be salad cake. So those 2 dishes I'm gonna be preparing them today. And another one, it's gonna be challah buns, and I'm gonna make also, I hope I'll have the time, carrot salad. And I'll make, oh yeah, I wanted to make biscuit chocolate cake. So I wanted to make no-bake, vegan, gluten-free biscuit chocolate cake. So I think that's it. And I'm gonna be making tomorrow lasagna. We'll see, I'm just going with flow usually. I do have everything on my list, and I do have, I organized everything like a month before. So I'll start with a cake salad. So we'll be making challah buns, but today, for the prep day, we're gonna only make the dough, and then I'll keep it in the refrigerator to rise, and tomorrow the kids can do the bun and play with the dough. So the lasagna you want is pasta, tomato sauce, and cheese and tofu. That's it. No more other things like frying onions with vegetables or something. Plain. So as you could see, he wanted it plain. I have the recipe on my website. It's a little bit different and I like it more. It's with fried vegetables, it's with vegan hot dogs and all kind of fun things. But he wants it really plain. If I could feed the whole world, I will do that.
Can you play Lasagna? Why is it so hard?
I'm waiting for Daddy to come over to fix that. Daddy's very good at this. No, that's okay. Look what happened to your...
What happened?
Yeah. We were waiting for you to fix it.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys.
Till next time.
Till next time.
For more videos
For more videos
coming up soon.
coming up soon.